No more relying on Opus Clips or any other software to help you come up with some valuable micro content that you can use as quotes or as tips and short pieces of content that you can put out faceless or via the reels. So this is what we're going to be doing today. This skill right here is the 5 value drop skill. What we want to do is take the script that we've already written, whether it's from a course lesson or whether it's from YouTube videos or whatever it's from, as long as you have the script, then you can process it through this skill and it will pull out and create for you 5 value moments. Okay. This is important because it's going to save you a lot of time. If you're a course creator or if you're looking to expand your brand and get some more visibility, then this will definitely help you do so because you've already created that valuable content. Why not repurpose it without having to do all of the thinking or have to do it manually to get this stuff out? We can create a Claude skill that's going to help us do this. And if you need the actual prompt that I will be using today, be sure to join my free builders community. You get all the resources that are associated with this video there for free. So let's jump over into the Claude Code and get this planned out. Now we're in Claude, and as you can see, I am in my chief of staff right here. Now what we'll want to do is put it into plan mode, and I have a prompt that I'm going to put in here to start creating this plan for us. If you've been doing what you know was in the last video, you should have a folder where your scripts are saved. It should be able to pull up scripts that you've written and saved on your file, on your computer, or wherever you have them at, so you can let Claude know where to pull the data from. So this prompt basically says, I want to create a skill that would turn my course lesson script into micro value content. This skill should take the information provided from the lesson's entire script and take the high value pieces from the script. So we pretty much have that written out. And what we want is, I'm going to add some more to this. We want 5 value pieces took from each script. And the reason why I say 5 is because if you're doing a course and say, for example, it's a paid course, you don't want to give all the value away, but it can be used. Little bits and tips can be used to help bring more visibility to what you have to offer. And we're going to use our outline here based on 5 value pieces to take it from, okay, from the script. So we're going to plan it out and we're going to see what Claude Code gives us. Right now it's looking at existing skills to understand the structure because we have skill planning rules in place. I shared that with you in my build to my AI chief of staff, how there are certain rules and certain file formats. And then in the next video, first 2 skills I built, one of them was a skill builder skill because I knew we were going to be making more skills for our AI agents to be able to tap into when we call upon them. Now, the agent came back with the plan, and what I'm going to do is say no, keep planning for right now. And that's because I want it to stop. I need time to look through this file right here to determine is there anything that I want to change or update. So right now it's saying, hey, D creates course lesson scripts for the Academy curriculum. It says new file, okay, skill. So it put the new skill in where it needed to be. Trigger, pull micro content from lesson, get quotes from this script, extract value from the script, things like that. Is given the 5 pieces. So this is 1, 2, 3 tight sentences, different types, pull it for the quote, for the hook, all of those things. What it does not do, it does not write full captions. That's a whole nother skill. Does not create graphics, does not post anything, and does not summarize the full lesson, which is very important. It's just pulling the tip, the micro nugget from the script. Load the script if the file path is provided. Read the file. So this is going to, if the script contain content is pasted, use it directly, confirm the lesson, because it can go search the file that's on your local computer, or you can paste it in if you have to copy and paste for it to do what you need it to do. So then it's going to say this is going to be the output of this right here. And I am going to add a little bit more to this skill right here, because there's certain things that I'm going to want it to do. Once the micro content, no, I'm not even going to make it be approved, has been created, put it in a Google Drive, put it in my Google Drive and create a folder, all lessons or micro content go into. So now what I'm going to do is add a little bonus on it. So now when this is actually created, Claude is connected to my computer, of course. And so I wanted to actually, as a part of this plan, to be able to drop this plan into my Google Drive for me. Okay, I don't need to read it. I'll read the 5 pieces and pick which ones I like based off the Google Drive. So at least I know it's in the drive, right? So that is what's important. So it's in the drive, my 5 pieces, and then I can just highlight whatever one I want to do at that moment and use, or what have you. You can put it in your ClickUp. You can put it in your Notion. You can put it anywhere you want to put it. Claude can do that. So I'm going to go ahead and auto accept this plan right here for now and let Claude do its thing. What Claude did right now is it created a to-do list right here. And what it's saying is, hey, we're going to create the skill itself with the instructions on what needs to happen. That's basically the skill. And then we're going to update the Claude MD file to add this lesson to the active skills list, because I have active skills that my AI is keeping track of, so that way we're not duplicating any skills. So it wrote it right here. I'm going to go ahead and say yes to all edits in this session and continue to let Claude do its thing. Now it's saying that the skill is already done. So now the skill lives here in the skills folder, and here's how it works. It's going to read any lesson script, file path, or pasted content. It's going to scan for the 5 best standalone moments. It's going to have Opus write it, and then it's going to assign each piece a format, whether it's a quote card, real hook, or short tip. And then it's going to save a Google Doc to my drive. It's going to name the folder what it needs to name it, because it can create its own folder. And then it's going to create the folder structure if it doesn't exist, and returns all 5 pieces in the chat plus the drive link. So it's going to show us right here what those 5 things are, and we can actually see them from right here in the chat. Now it's telling me to go ahead and run it. I can run this script right now because I have a script written for one of my courses as a example, and I didn't even do the whole lesson, but the script is here and it's telling me I can do the / command for the lesson micro content script, and it's located in the project's curriculum AI Foundations scripts folder. So that's where it's at. So I'm going to run it just so we can see what 5 pieces of value content did it pull from the script itself. And we're going to let Claude do its thing. So now it's reading the script, and we're talking about the verbatim script from that lesson that was in the speaker notes that I read off for the curriculum. So it should pull 5 value pieces of what was said out of that. So it says it's now writing it, is hitting, is doing its thing, is trying to connect to the server for Google so it can upload it to the drive. So it's saying that the folder doesn't exist because I know I didn't even make it. So I'm going to say yes, allow for that server to connect. So now it's updating and it's uploading everything that we need, and it's creating the folder for us in the Google Drive. Both folders created. So the main folder that all future micro content value pieces are going to go into. And now it's done. So now it's saying, hey, this is a quote card. This is a real hook. This is a short tip. Another quote card. Now, just because it says a quote card doesn't mean you can't record the audio to it or use AI voice and just paste that in to your 11 labs and have it say what it needs to say. right? Or have your AI send it over to 11 Labs and let it do what it do. There's so much you can do with AI, all right? And this saves us time. And just because we can do it, don't mean we need to do it. But in the use case for those individuals who want to make short content to start to drive traffic to their new content, this is a great way to do it. This is a great way to put something out. Whether you save it to the Google Drive, you could be running out of ideas. It could be a pressed week that week, and you just need some quick content that you can put out, like filler content, but make it valuable. You already have these sitting there waiting for you to use at the ready. Okay, so we have our scripts ready, and that is that. So now it is done. You have actually seen me run it. Well, if you made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate you. If this was valuable content to you, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. You know, it helps your girl out a lot, so other females and women that are in this space can get this information too. And if you have any questions or have a skill that you're looking for that you would like for me to showcase, then please feel free to go ahead and drop them below in the comments. I'll be happy to take a look at them and help you out. If you need the resources to this video, you can find them for free in my free builders community. The link will be in the description below. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.